Top 5 apps like Himalayan pink salt for weight loss review that actually work today. If you've tried every trendy weight loss hack, you know how confusing it can get. You won't believe what happens next, but the right app can actually make losing weight easier and more sustainable. Today, we're looking at 5 apps that work beyond just relying on Himalayan pink salt claims. First, MyFitnessPal. This app tracks calories, macros, and nutrients automatically. Its database has millions of foods, making logging meals simple, and the barcode scanner means you can track packaged foods in seconds. Studies show that tracking your meals consistently can increase weight loss success by up to 50%. Second is Noom. Unlike other apps, Noom focuses on psychology. It teaches you why you eat, helps break bad habits, and encourages small daily changes. The app's coaching feature adds accountability, making it easier to stick to your plan. Number 3 is Lose It. How? This app is straightforward but powerful. Set a target weight, track meals, and log activity. It also offers personalized meal plans based on your preferences, so you don't feel deprived or overwhelmed. Fourth, Yozio. Yozio makes tracking macros fun and simple. It includes personalized fasting plans and recipes for healthy meals. Many users report better portion control and consistent weight loss when using it daily. Finally, Chronometer. This one is for the data enthusiasts. Chronometer provides detailed nutrition breakdowns and tracks micronutrients, which can help improve energy, sleep, and overall health while losing weight. In conclusion, while Himalayan pink salt may be trendy, these apps give real results. They help you track, learn, and stay consistent exactly what you need to see progress. Pick the one that fits your style and start seeing measurable changes today.